all new iPhone Air, and this is the impossibly thin and light as per the Apple. And this is the new lineup which has been introduced by Apple in the year of 2025. This is one example of the race where all smartphones are trying to create the thinnest possible phone. A few months back we saw Samsung, but now we are looking at iPhone Air, which is even thinner than Samsung. So this is 5.6 millimeter. You can see it's impossibly thin, and this is very light. It's like feather, 165 grams. It is very nice to hold in the hand. Even if you see the overall impression of this phone, it is very beautiful. Apple has kept the one camera. If you see, this phone has 48 megapixel single camera, although it also supports 4K 60 FPS, the newly introduced center stage camera. The back of the phone looking very nice and very beautiful. And this year, this is the only phone which is having the titanium build, feeling very nice while holding it in the hands. This phone is having the ProMotion display, 120 Hz adaptive, holding the always-on display. And also, if you see, this phone is having the ceramic shield on the front as well as on the back, which is looking very beautiful. So this year, the premium color has been reserved for the iPhone Air only. And if you want to have colors like sky blue or gold or white or black, then you have to go for the iPhone Air because no other model is going to support it. And since it is very thin, people think that it is also having a smaller battery, but Apple claims that this phone is capable of having the cinematic level videos and photos, as well as the phone will run a full day. For further updates, keep watching this channel and stay tuned for more such updates on the iPhone models and for the iPhone Air. Thank you guys.